are you all? I hope you all are fine, well, and enjoying your e-learning every day morning. Okay, so today is the maths. All the respected officers, HMs, teachers, and my dear children, very warm welcome and very warm good morning to all of you. Brihanmumbai Mahanagar Palika has organized this sequence of online lectures for you all children. See, these all lessons will be uploaded on YouTube channel. And so, when you have mobile in your hand, when you have network in your mobile, and when you want to work, when you have mood, you can learn. Also, children, if you want to watch some video second time, third time, if you want to stop in between and then write something, to think on something, then to do, all the facilities are there when it is uploaded on YouTube channel. So take benefit of this. Okay, are you all ready? You know what subject today? Maths, yes. Now children, last 3 sessions, we did prime numbers, then we did factorization, then by factorization method, we learn how to find HCF of the numbers. Also by division method, we found out the highest common factor. Okay, and now in that sequence, today it is quiz day. Today we will play a quiz on what we learned. Are you all ready? Are you all excited? Someone is saying scared. Why are you scared? Don't scare. It is a game. And you know why do we play such quiz? Children, we play this quiz to check ourselves. To check that when the teacher will take test or when the exam will be there, how much can I do? And also there is a time for test and exam, a long time. So which subject, which topic I should practice more, this idea also we get from such quiz. So don't get scared. Okay. Now children, before we start our quiz of maths, we will play one demo. And in demo, there will be 2 questions. When we start demo, on the screen there will be 1 question. You read it. There will be 4 options. You select the correct options. And when you will click on correct option, the blue strip will come there. It means it will show your selected answer. And then go to next. Read the second question. Think about it. Select the correct answer out of given 4 options. And after you select it, click on it. And next, submit will be there. You submit your answers. Both the answers will come to me. And I will come to know how many of you have given the correct answer, how many of you have not given the correct answer. Right? So children, don't be afraid. First, we will have demo and then we will start our quiz. Children, when we will start our quiz, we will have 3 rounds. And in each round, we will have 5 questions. So 5 questions first round, then second round of 5 questions, and then the third round of 5 questions. So how many altogether? 15 questions altogether. After each round, we will have result. We will discuss result. We will discuss all the questions of whatever we asked and answer everything. Okay. So, are you all ready? Ready for demo? Excited for a new experience? Online quiz. Many times in your class, you must have played quiz. Today, we are playing online quiz. Okay, children, let's start. There is a demo question on your screen. Read the first question. How many colors are there in Indian flag? 4 options are given to you. Think about Indian flag. How many colors are there? Think. Select the correct option. It's really very easy, isn't it? Have you selected the correct answer? Good. Now click on next. And the second question is there in front of you. What is it? 75 plus 25 is equal to how much? Very easy question. Oh, because it is demo. Okay. Now, select the correct option from given 4 options down. Have you selected? Very good. And now submit it. Okay. Very good, children. So, isn't it easy? Did you enjoy? Okay. So, this way, when we will start our round of quiz, 5 questions will be there each time. Right? So, did you find it easy? Easy to respond? Very good. So, now, are you all ready to start quiz? First round of quiz? Get ready. Excited? Very good. Okay. Let's have first round of quiz. And there are questions on your screen. You can read the question and you can select the answer. Children, don't be too fast and don't be too slow. Okay? So, I'm reading the first question for you. The first question. The smallest prime number is dash. Oh, remember the chart of prime numbers. Which is the smallest? And the 4 options given to us are A, 3, B, 2, C, 1, and D, 5. Think on it. Which is the smallest prime number? And click on your answer. Clicked. Very good. It's easy, isn't it? Okay. Now, click on next. And the second question will be there in front of you. Now I'm reading second question for you. 7,24,860 can be divided by 4 options are given to us. Let's see what options are there. 2, 5, 3, and all the given options. So you have to think about divisibility rule of 2, divisibility rule of 5, divisibility rule of 3, and decide which is the correct option. Right? Okay. Think about the rules and apply the rules and see. Think on it and select the correct answer. The third question. Which is prime number from the below? Again, 4 options are given to you. The first is 89, B 81, C 91, and D 99. Remember prime numbers chart? It is very easy question. Very easy. Selected the correct answer. Okay. If you have done with this, click next. And the next fourth question is, how many twin prime numbers are there from 81 to 100? Remember the chart. Mobile number of prime number. Remember the mobile number of prime numbers. And then think about it and select the correct option. First option is 1, second is 0, third option is 2, and the fourth option is can't say. Think about the twin prime numbers, definition of twin prime numbers. Think about the prime numbers of 81 to 100, and then apply the rule of twin prime numbers on it and select the correct answer. Think. Take your time. Try to remember the chart. Quiz means we need to think. And after you click on the correct answer, again click on next, and the last question of first round, fifth question of first round will be there. And the fifth question is 180 equals to, and in the option some numbers and multiplications are given. So children, do all the multiplications and select the correct option. I'm reading options for you. A, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. B, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. C, 2 into 3 into 5. And option D, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Take your time. Take out your notebook and pen. Do the multiplications and find out the correct answer. And when you complete it, children, submit your answers. From here, I can make out that some of you have already submitted the answers. And for others, those who are still working, we will wait a little. You know, children, This type of quiz, competitions help us to improve. So, now for the first round, last 10 seconds are there. Do it little faster. I'll count 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. The first round is done. So children, did you enjoy the questions? Were they easy? Okay, you all want result. So let's have result on our screen. So it is result on your screen, children. Let's discuss about all 5 questions and their answers. The first question was the smallest prime number is. Some of you have selected 1, but remember the chart? We put cross on 1. It is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So, what is the correct answer? And children, 40% of you have given correct answer. Very good. Excellent. And the correct answer is 2. The smallest prime number is 2. Let's think about the second question. 7,24,860 can be divided by. And the options are 2, 5, 3, or all the given options. Divisibility rule. So first we will think about divisibility rule of 2. And that says at unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. And here at unit place 0 is there. Yes, so this number can be divided by 2. The second option says 5. And the rule of 5 is at unit place either 5 or 0. So this can also be divided by 5, by 2 and by 5. 2 options are there. Let us think about 3. And what is the rule of divisibility of 3, children? We add all the digits of the given number. So let's add it. 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus 0. And just say, what is the answer? 27. And 27 can be divided by 3. And so this full number can be divided by 3. Or means this number can be divided by 2, 5, 3, all. So the correct answer is D option, all the given options. And you know children, 33.33% of you have selected the correct answer. Very good. Okay. Now let's go to the third question. Which is the prime number from given below? Now children, 2 ways. First, remember the full chart of prime numbers, which is more important. And so if I remember and I look at the options, I can get it correct answer very easily and very quickly. And if I don't remember, I have to think on the number, how to think about the divisibility, whether in any table this number comes or not. Okay, let's think. 89. I remember the chart. 89 is prime number. But I will think about all other 3 options too. 81. 8 plus 1, 9. This is divisible by 3. So it's not prime number. 91. It comes in 13's table. 13 sevens are 91. So this also is not prime number. 99. 9 plus 9, 18. It can be divided by 3. So this is also not prime number. So which is the prime number? 89 is the prime number. So option A is the correct answer. And you know, children, 44% of you have selected correct answer. Very good. Excellent. Let's read fourth question again. How many twin prime numbers are there from 81 to 100? Oh, again remember the chart of prime numbers. Twin prime numbers. Definition of the twin prime number says you deduct the numbers, and if the answer is 2, they are twin prime numbers. Now let's see the option. 81 and 100. So only 3 prime numbers are there. 83, 89 and 100. So if we subtract 83 from 89, the answer is 6. So it is not a pair of twin prime number. If we subtract 97 and 89, again answer is not 2. And so this is not twin prime number. What does it mean? It means between 81 to 100, there is no twin prime number. And so my answer is 0. B option. And you know, children, 33.33% of you have selected the correct answer. And the last, 180 equals to, so if I multiply the first option, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 5s are 60, and 60 5s are 300. So that is not the correct option. If I think about B option, I get answer 450. So that is also not the correct answer. I think about option C, and the answer is 30. But I want answer 180. So that is also not the correct option. And I multiplied the fourth option. And I got the correct answer, 180. And that is why, yes, the option D is the correct answer. And you know, children, 42% of you have selected the correct answer. So you must be thinking that, oh, I didn't give all the answers correct. Don't worry. It is our trial, first quiz. So in future, when we'll do the next quiz, before that you practice a lot. All the practice. In all the videos, I have given what to do for practice. Also ask your doubt to your teachers, and you will improve your result. So we have completed the first round of our quiz. And so this is the time of celebration. And you know, some guests are there with us for the celebration. See on your screen. Who are there? Some letters, some numbers. See, they are dancing. They are moving on the stage. They are very happy. They are very excited. They all are congratulating to you. Congratulating for your giving correct answer. You too, make dancing pose in front of camera. I can see. Wow. Now clap for you. Second round of today's quiz. In this round also, we will have 5 questions. So when I will say start, question will be there on your screen. On the screen. Second round, first question. The number which is neither a composite number nor a prime number. Very easy. Very easy. In the solution just now we discussed it. The options are 3, B option 2, C option 1, and D option 5. Just remember the chart, starting of your chart, and give the correct answer. The second question is HCF of 30 and 48 is dash. The highest common factor. So this can be done 2 ways. By the tables, if I know tables, or take out your notebook, take out your pen, and factorize the numbers and find out the HCF. The options are 8, 5, 6, and 2. Now remember children, this is the highest common factor. Correct? So do it. Take your time. Take a minute. Factorize the number 30. Then factorize the number 48. Find out the common factors and select your answer. Okay, and on the screen, the third question of second round will be there in front of you on the screen. The question is, how many prime numbers are there from 41 to 60? Again, remember the mobile number of prime numbers from 41 to 50 and 51 to 60. How many are there? Think on it and select the correct answer. The options are A, 2, B, 4, C, 5, and D, can't say. So, have you thought on that? Think. Take your time. Think on the prime numbers chart. Select your correct answer. And move to next. In the next, the fourth question is there in front of you. And the fourth question is, which is a pair of co-prime numbers from the given pairs? Again, 4 options are there in front of you, children. Read the options. Think about the definition of co-prime numbers. Apply it and select your correct answer. The first option is 21 and 28. Second option, 19 and 38. Third option, 47 and 59. And the fourth option, 17 and 51. Think on the definition of co-prime numbers and select the correct answer. And Then move to next. And next there is the last question of second round. Fifth question of second round. Read the question. 3, 4, 6, star. The number is given. And what is said? Which number from the following options can be replaced for star so that the number can be divided by 2 and 3. So, we need to think about the rule of divisibility, right? And two rules we need to think. Divisibility rule of 2 and divisibility rule of 3. And both should be applied here. Think on it. Think for 2 and think for 3. The option given are 2, 5, 6, and 0. Little difficult. This is question from scholarships. So everyone can try it. Try. Each of you should try it. It is really easy. Think on it. Rule of divisibility of 2 and then rule of divisibility of 3. Take your time. Take out your notebook and pen if you want to do some rough work. And when you select, submit your answers. 2, 3 submissions have come. Very good. Many of you have submitted. Good. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. You know, children, why do we give such quiz? So we can come to know whether we have done our study perfectly or not. We can do it speedily or not. See, next year in the S standard, scholarship will be there. So those who are doing it faster in 7th can do faster in 8th. Okay. So exciting about result. And the result is there on your screen. We will discuss all 5 questions. Correct? So the first question was the number which is neither a composite number nor a prime number. Oh, many of you started posting the answer in chat box. Yes, because very easy. Number 1. We crossed it on the chart. Did you remember? And you know, I'm very much happy and impressed. 62% of you have given the correct answer. Very good. Very good, children. Now let's think about the second question. The second question was there, HCF of 30 and 48. Children, very easy. Think about the table. In which table both of them are coming? So if I think about 8's table, 8 6 are 48. But 30 doesn't come in 8's table. So that is not the correct option. 5. 5 6 are 30. But 48 cannot be divided by 5. It doesn't come in 5's table. So that is also not the correct answer. 6. 6 5s are 30. And 6 8s are 48. So 6 is the common factor. And if I think about D, 2 is also the common factor of 30 and 48. So, what is our question? Go to question again. Read question again. HCF, the highest common factor. So, which is highest? 2 or 6? 6. And so, correct option is C, 6. And you know, children, 47% of you have given the correct answer. Good. If you have given correct answer, it means you practiced and so you could do it faster. Good. Excellent, children. Okay. Let's read the third question. How many prime numbers are there from 41 to 60? So just remember the chart. What are the prime numbers from 41 to 50? 41, 43, 47, 3. And from 51 to 60, 53 and 59, 2. So altogether, 5. Right? And so the correct answer is option C, 5. And you know, children, 43% of you have given the correct answer. Good. So in the next quiz, we will do better. Right? But you need to practice before the next quiz. Will you practice? Are you promising me to practice? Remember, you have given one more promise to me. Have you remembered? Are you working on that? One table daily. How many of you are working on that? Show your thumbs. And what about those who are not working? What they are waiting for? Start it from today. Today is always better than tomorrow. So start it from today. Okay, let's move to the next question. Fourth question of second round. Which is a pair of co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers. Definition says one is only common factor. So if we think about the first option, 21 and 28. 7 3s are, 7 4s are. So 7 is common factor. So it is not co-prime numbers. Another 19 1s are, 19 2s are. Oh, 19 is common factor. We want only one as a common factor. The third is 47 and 59. And did you remember we discussed that a pair of prime numbers is always co-prime number because one is common factor. But let's think of the option 17 and 51. So 17 1s are, 17 3s are. 17 is the common factor over there. And so our final answer is C, 47 and 59 is the pair of co-prime number. Very good. And you know, children, 30% of you have given the correct answer. Very good. Keep it up, children. Keep it up. Now the fifth question. Many of you found it little difficult. Okay? But see, it's easy. We have to think about divisibility rule of 2 and divisibility rule of 3. So if I think about 2, means at unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So here option A, C and D. 3 are there. But option B is not there. Okay. So B is cancelled. Now think about the divisibility rule of 3. We need to add the digits. So 8, 3 plus 4 plus 6. And first option 2. So the total is 15. That can be divided by 3. Also check with other options. And the total is 19. No. So 6 is not the correct answer. And the total is 13. So that is also not correct answer. And so we got correct answer is 2. So when we put 2, when we replace 2 for star, the number becomes 3462. That can be divided by 2 and that can also be divided by 3. And you know, children, 24% of you have given the correct answer. That's it. Now again, this is party time. And for party time, see who has come now. New guests are there. Geometrical figures.
Square.
So now, let's start. Get, set, go. And the questions are there on your screen. Round 3, question number 1. This is the only even prime number. Oh, it's very easy. And options are also very easy. 3, 2, 1 or 5. Select the correct option. It's really very easy, children. Selected. Very good. Now, let's go to second question. Submit your answer. Click your answer. Okay. Let's read the second question. That is also very easy and some surprises there for you. -4 multiplied by -5. 5 fours are very easy. Negative signs multiplied by negative signs. Think on that rule. We already did it. And select the correct answer. Options are -21, +20, -02, +02. Have you selected the correct answer? It is really very easy, isn't it? Now let's move to the third question of third round. The question is total of the prime numbers from 71 to 100. So take out your notebook, write all the prime numbers from 71 to 100. And make total of it. Remember the prime numbers. I'm giving you a clue. There are 6 prime numbers from 71 to 100. This is a little clue. Now write down all prime numbers, make a total and select the correct option. The first option is 429. Second option is 249. The third option is 492. And the fourth option is 4092. Next. And next is fourth question of third round. Second last question of today's quiz. And there is a question on your screen. From the given pairs, which is not the pair of twin prime numbers? So, which is not your, it is your answer. And the options given are 13 and 17, B option 41 and 43. C option 5 and 7. And D option 11 and 13. Remember the definition of co-prime twin prime numbers and select the correct answer. Think on it. Take your time, children. Think on each option. It's really easy. The last question of today's quiz. The fifth question of third round. And the question is really very easy. Little tricky, but easy. Let's read it. 3 star 2 5. Which is the correct option from the following? Is to be replaced 4 star so that the number can be divided by 5. Oh, divided by 5. It's really very easy. And the 4 options in front of you are 1, 0, 3, and the fourth option says any option from the given options. Think on the divisibility rule of 5. Think on the given options and select your correct answer. Those who found it little difficult, those children will watch my first video, then do the practice. Then they will watch my second video, third video. After doing all this, ask your teachers to give you more practice and then try this quiz once again. You know, practice makes man perfect. And maths is the subject of activity and practice. And you will enjoy the same quiz second time. Okay, now let's discuss about the result of third round. And what was the first question? Very easy. This is the only even prime number. And you know, children, all the options given, among all the 4 options, only one even number is there. Other numbers are odd. So those who don't know can also give the answer. Isn't it funny? Yes. So the correct answer is 2B option. The second question. -4 multiplied by -5. And when we multiply 2 negative numbers, the answer is also always positive. And so the correct option is +20. Option B. And you know, children, both the questions, first and second, 64% of you have done it well. Excited. I am excited and I am impressed. And I want to clap for you. Very good done, children. Okay, now let's go to third question. A question which need little rougher. Let's see. Total of the prime numbers from 71 to 100. And I gave you clue, 6 numbers are there. So remember the numbers. 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Write down all the numbers and make the total. you know how to add them, right? And you know, children, the correct answer is option C, 492. And children, 36% of you have given the correct answer. Okay. Let's do the next question. From the given pairs, which is not the pair of twin numbers, twin prime numbers, and 4 options are given. What is the definition of twin prime numbers? We subtract them from each other, and if the answer is 2, it is prime number. Now think about D option. 11, 13. Subtract them, and answer is 2. And so this is twin prime number. Okay. Option C. Again the subtraction is 2. So this is also twin prime number. We want which is not. So this is also not our answer. Think about B option. 41 and 43. And what is the subtraction of that 2? Oh, this is even a twin prime number. Let's think about A option. 17 and 13. 17 and 13. Subtraction is 4, which is not 2. And so, option A is not twin prime number. So, option A is our answer. And you know, children, 26% of you have given the correct answer. Let's move to the last question of today's quiz. And that is 5th question of round 3rd. 3*25. Which is the correct option from below to replace the star so the number can be divided by 5? And what is the divisibility rule of 5, children? At the unit place 5 or 0. And the unit place 5 is given. What does it mean? In between, any number you put, any number, the number, new number appears, will be divided by 5. Because at unit place there is 5. And so, the correct option is any option from the given numbers. And you know, children, 24% of you have given the correct answer. It means you are growing, you are improving, and children, practice more. Watch the videos from first video of prime numbers. Practice on it. Second video of factorization. Practice it. Third video of finding HCF. Practice it. And then again watch this video. Start it. Listen to the question. Read the question on the screen. Stop it. Find out the answer. And check your answers with the answers given here. This way you can practice it by yourself. Children, always self-study, self-checking, self-practice is important. We improve by this. This quiz was just to know where we are standing, and always move a step forward where you are standing. Clap for you. And even I am clapping for you all. Very well done, children. Very well done. So, do practice and get ready for next lessons and maybe next quiz in future. Okay, children? Bye. See you next time. Till that, work hard, do practice, and learn a table, one table daily. Bye, children. Thank you. Thank you so much.